This is Dr. Deuk, CEO and founder of the Deuk Spine Institute. I'm here with one of my patients, and you've traveled from where to the Deuk Spine?
Idaho.
Idaho, with your lovely husband, and we've had a few conversations. She came here to have her back fixed. How long have you had back pain for?
For over 7 years.
Okay. And what kind of work did you do before you retired, if you don't mind me asking?
It was desk work.
All right. And so you had back pain for 7 years. Did you have an injury to your back, or did it just kind of gradually come on?
It just gradually came on. I actually noticed it first in 2015 when I was gardening and I couldn't be up there for 8 hours. I was into it for about 4 hours and I had to take a break. And as time progressed, my breaks got longer and longer, and the amount of work I did in the garden was less and less.
Understood. And you're retired now. So what's it like having back pain limit your ability to do stuff when you're retired?
For me, it's very frustrating. I can't do that what I want to do. So we kept seeking solutions and nothing was working. They did work for a short while, but that short while decreased over time. It was shorter and shorter. My husband does research very, very well. Through his research, he found you. We read that you can fix my back, and you did fix my back.
That's right.
And I thank you.
You're welcome. So when did you have the Deuk laser disc repair done and the Deuk plasma rhizotomy?
I had those done yesterday in the afternoon. I am sitting straighter than I have. I'm standing straighter. I'm walking normal. It's like, wow, new me.
Look at that smile right there. I hadn't seen that until just now. So,
well, it wasn't there yesterday.
Yeah, it wasn't there before surgery. And how long have you been not smiling because you've been in pain? I mean, really bad pain. How long has the really bad pain been there?
The really bad pain has probably been over the last 5 years. It's something that was really tough to maintain a positive attitude and try to keep a smile on my face and keep Jeff's hopes up. I tend to be a positive person, but there were times when it does drag you down.
Of course, yeah. It's hard living with chronic pain, and especially with loved ones, they have a hard time, relating. Of course, they want to be supportive, and your husband is a very supportive man, obviously. And he's a pleasure to meet. I know he's an author as well.
Yes.
And so what are you going to do now that you've had the surgery? And you could see actually the Deuk laser disc repair procedure she had done yesterday. You can see right here, we went into the discs that were damaged. You had 2 annular tears. We tested your discs during the surgery, and indeed they were causing your pain. So we verified that with our discogram. And then I went ahead and used the laser to clean up the tears that were causing your pain and get rid of that source of pain for you. And here you are, you're doing fantastic. How much of your back pain from before surgery do you still have?
Oh, virtually nothing.
It's gone.
It's gone.
Cured.
My lower back, I have not been without pain in my lower back until your surgery. It's constant, it's always there. I've never been without it. I'm without it now.
So are you going to go back to gardening?
You bet I am.
All right, very good. And what other things would you like to do now that you have a new back that doesn't hurt you anymore?
The biggest thing I want to do? I want to go fly a kite.
Good for you. Let's go fly a kite then.
That's right.
Well, congratulations on having faith and being brave and getting it done.
Oh, not a problem.
Is there anything else you want to say to your fans out there?
I highly recommend Dr. Deuk Spine Institute, Dr. Deuk personally, to help you fix your back.
Thank you. I appreciate that. All right. Safe travels.
Phew, that wasn't too bad, was it?
It was wonderful.